Okay, this is 5600 Kelvin on my ring light. You can see the ring probably. Now if I turn off this ring light and replace it with my new Aputure. So it's going to be dark. Pretty dark, huh? Let's put this on. Flip the switch. This is 5600 Kelvin at 48%. This is 100%. Not nearly as bright, is it, really? Not nearly as bright. Does that match up? Turn it on and off. Interesting. Spread of the light is a little bit different. Well, the idea of getting this Aputure, what is it? ALMC portable is so that I have a backup to the ring light. So I can go maybe more outside with my camera. This Aputure replaces this kind of, I mean, it kind of works, but I just never knew what the Kelvin was, and the white balance didn't look right to me. So this is 5600. I think that looks good, but there's shadows, aren't there? There's shadows. This comes with a softbox. Let's just quickly try it. Actually, this has a little film on it. Maybe just take this off. No need for that, I guess. This is at 100%. Let me try screw it in. Definitely a bit more diffuse, isn't it? Expected it to be a bit better, brighter, to be honest. Shadows. Actually, it kind of looks a bit yellowy to me. Like this. Put this on. That's with the ring light on. You see, the ring light is actually my best purchase yet. That looks good. This looks dark to me. Really, it looks too dark. Don't you think I look dark? This is at 100%. This is at 100%. This looks dark to me. Oh, what do you expect? What do you expect? Let me get the Manfrotto going too. This actually gets quite bright, but like, yeah, the shadows are like, see, that's crazy. Yeah, the shadows. It does have these little filters on it, but I think I've since lost them. It's not bad, I guess, if I get close up to it. It's not offensive. So yeah, that's my Aputure unboxing. First usage compared to my ring light. Ring light rules!